Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video I am going to show you how to change capitalize first letter on Excel. Sometimes people would like to change their Excel data first letter should be capitalized for all rows. In this situation, they can change by using simple Excel formula. Let's learn how you can do this. In my Excel sheet, I have a full name column. Then the second column I would like to change for the each word first letter capitalized. So we have to add the formula equal proper. Then we have to select the row what you would like to capitalize the first letter. I have to select the A2. Then we have to close the bracket, then hit enter. Now you can check it out, the each word first letter has been capitalized. In the third column, I would like to capitalize only for the first letter. Other words always small letter. So we have to add the formula equal upper. Then we have to start from left. So we have to add the left. Then we have to select the row what you would like to capitalize. So this row A2 we have to select. Then we have to add the comma 1. That means the first word. Then we have to close the bracket. Then again you have to close the bracket for the formula. This formula will change only for the first letter capital. So we have to add one more formula for other words should be smaller case. So first you have to add the ampersand. Then you have to add the lower. Then it starts from right. This means we have to calculate from right. So right. Then we have to select the row. Then we have to add the length. The length means the entire row's length. Then we have to close the bracket. Then minus 1. So we have to close the bracket. Now we have to click enter. That's it. Now we can check it out, the first letter capitalized only for the first word. So if you would like to apply for this formula to the entire row, you have to select the two column. Then you have to drag it into the all rows. That's it. Now the formula has been set for the all rows and first letter capitalized based on the formulas. In this way you can capitalize the first letter in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.